What are adaptogens, also known as adaptinogens? Stay tuned to find out. Adaptogens are a class of herbs and plants that are believed to be help the body adapt to stress, improve physical and mental performance, and promote overall well-being. They've been used in traditional medicine like Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Adaptogens work by supporting the body's natural ability to resist stressors like physical, chemical, and biological stressors. They help regulate the body's stress response system by reducing the production of stress hormones like cortisol and increasing the production of other hormones like serotonin and dopamine, which are associated with feelings of well-being and happiness. Some common adaptogenic herbs and plants include ashwagandha, woody, oleander, ginseng, holy basil, and licorice root. These herbs are either consumed in the form of supplements or teas and may also be used in topical preparations or essential oils. While adaptogens have been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices, there is limited scientific research on their effectiveness and safety, so it's important to talk to a healthcare provider before using adaptogenic herbs, especially if you have a medical condition or are taking any medication.